Hey everybody, it's Tim at MagStor, and today I'm going to show you how to install your driver for your MagStor Thunderbolt drive. The first thing that you'll need to do is go to magstor.com or magstor.com/support, or you can click on this button that says support up here. The next thing you'll need to do is find the drivers section. So on the top here we have Thunderbolt 3 desktop or rack mount. And then you'll go down to the revision C drivers if you have a drive that was made anytime after late 2023. Or you can check the bottom of your unit to find out if you have a revision A, B, or C. But typically if it's after late 2023, you will have a revision C. So here we'll download the latest driver. Okay, and when I have that downloaded, what I'm going to do is I'll close this out and install this driver package. Okay, and as you can see, this is the Eureka driver. So we're going to hit continue, 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 agree, continue, install, type in your password, and there we go. Alright, so the next part is the part where people get hung up the most. And that is the system extension being blocked. So pretty much if you've ever installed software from the internet instead of the App Store, you're going to get this kind of pop-up. Now if this pop-up doesn't show up, that's okay. We can get to it another way. But first, if you're on a brand new Mac and you've never installed other software, you're going to have to enter the system recovery mode, or aka the BIOS of the Mac. And then from there you need to go to the system startup security utility and modify your settings from full security to reduced security. And this just allows you to use software kernel extensions from identified developers. So they still have to be a developer that has signed a driver with Apple and gotten approval. It's just not in the App Store essentially. So if you've already done that, which most of you probably already have, you can just skip that step. But if you want to get to the allowance of the driver here, you need to go to System Settings, or you can hit Open System Settings there if it's available for you on a pop-up. And this can be done before or after restarting, after you install the driver. So see here, I haven't restarted yet. So you want to go to System Settings, and you want to go to Privacy and Security. And what you're going to do is, I'll blow this up a little bit bigger here, is you're going to scroll all the way down to Security here, and you can see System software from developer Eureka Technology Corporation was blocked from loading. What you're going to do here is push allow. And then you have to enter your password or use your Touch ID, whichever one you have. Okay. Again. And now at this point, we're going to restart the computer. Okay, so we're back from rebooting the Mac. And what we're going to do to verify that we successfully installed the driver is we're going to go to the Apple menu at the top left here and click on About This Mac. And then hit More Information. Scroll to the very bottom here to System Report. And then we're going to click on the Thunderbolt/USB 4 tab. And as you can see, the TRB3-HL drive is installed here. So that means that you have a solid Thunderbolt connection. It sees the device there. And next we're going to go to SAS, which is also called SAS. And then you're going to look at the SCSI target device @ number. And as you can see right here, I have an IBM Ultium HH drive connected. And then my particular unit right now, I actually have an LTO9 and an LTO7. So you can see I have the LTO7 there as well. So everything is connected and ready to go. So you're all done installing the driver, but you may ask, okay, I want to start drag and dropping my files. Well, That's a little bit more complicated. You actually need software to do that. You can't just plug a drive in and then start looking at files. And in particular, you would need LTFS, Linear Tape File System, which you can get for free from IBM, which is just a command line interface, and I don't recommend it. Or there are paid options. You have Hedge Canister, you have Yoyada, you have MyLTO. Those are the most affordable solutions for Mac, and you would get support with those. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you have any other issues installing your software, you have any questions, just reach out to us. Just go to magstor.com/support or click on the support button on magstor.com and open a support ticket, and someone will get to you as soon as they can. Thanks again, and have a great day.